drop.
Concentrate, Sova.
Oh, I think I'm done.
Ace.
Oh, 0.03.
Is that it?
Olha, Jet. I can't wait for you to run circles around him.
Same.
Okay, Sykkuno's gonna have a shotgun.
Ray, you're on my team. You shouldn't tell them.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Ray, we're on the same
Wait,
team.
you're on my team?
We're on the same team, and you just exposed my strategy.
I think everyone knows your strat already.
What if I decide to switch it up?
Switch it up, switch it up.
What if I switched it up? They don't know that.
Wait.
I need something. More bread. Alright, we need more bread, guys.
Sykkuno.
Huh? What's up?
Someone in my chat just says, I hate you, Toast. Sykkuno is such a nice person. Stop talking to him without respect, you bully. How does that make you feel?
Put some respect on his name, Toast. How
It
could
makes
you?
me feel weird when people feel like they know your friends better than you do.
They do.
Oh, that's right. He's telling you to shut the fuck up. So shut the fuck up.
Wait, I didn't say that. I said.
Oh, that's right. Oh, you were going for something different.
What I was trying to say is I appreciate him trying to, stand up for me. But,
Wait, doesn't
Toast
this
is a
just
very
prove
kind person.
that what
and
he was
trust me,
saying
he's,
was correct?
Yeah, just me. Toast is really nice.
Enough that guy.
Thanks.
I appreciate him trying to look out for me though. But
You're a real one. You're a real one.
she's crazy.
Oh my god.
They're standing.
Oh no.
That looks.
Man.
That looks so
That looks so
bad.
evil. He's like,
That looked really evil.
yeah. He just ran out and shanked her in the.
Oh.
Woo!
Oh, he teleported?
Teleported?
He's not in the box.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, I didn't plan.
Oh, it's alright. There's only one guy left.
Coming from where?
Sounded like teleporter.
Alright, this is another knife situation.
I have 17 health left.
Perfect time to knife him. Get
Okay.
your knife out, Sykkuno!
Alright, I got the knife
Here,
out.
here, here, get your knife
Alright,
out.
Wendy, knife out.
Oh my-
Okay. We're gonna wait. No, we should wait for the defuse and then 4-man stab him like Jon
Oh
Snow.
my god. That's horrible.
Jon Snow, yeah.
Oh, he's right here.
Oh.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Oh god. Do we still do it? Wait, do the defuse. Oh goodness. Goodness.
Use your gun, Sykkuno!
What is that? What's the range on that knife? What?
I cannot.
I was right next to him. I was right next to him, slashing like a maniac. I was slashing like the hash slinging, bringing slasher. It wasn't hitting him.
Slashing. The hash slasher. Slashing. Oh my god. You were looking him straight in the eyes. Oh my god.
All right.
I'm crying. That was so funny.
Otherwise, like, Cypher's got beef on the rock.
Defenders win.
Okay, no worries.
How do strippers make money during Corona?
They don't.
Online stripping.
Isn't that just chatting? Hey yo. Hey.
You think so?
Oh god.
Oh my goodness.
Whew. Whew. Toast with some spicy takes there.
Yeah, those just chatting Twitch streamers, not like us, right, Ray?
Yeah. Not like us. Yeah.
Yeah, we only play games on our platform.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure we have strippers somewhere. The dark side of Facebook. Somewhere.
Somewhere, I'm sure there's a person stripping.
Somewhere, yes. Oh my goodness. Sykkuno, so help me. The next time you bring the spike and you don't play the spike, I am going to.
You're gonna.
Okay, I got it.
You're gonna yell at me?
I'll let you again.
All
We
right.
had this round.
I kind of want to hear that.
Oh.
No, that was a joke. Wait, guys, why are you? That was a joke. You're supposed to laugh. No, that was a joke. What?
Now my
I could
screens are
guys, nobody laughed at that. I thought you guys were gonna be like, haha, that's No, you guys are gonna think I'm some kind of weird. Guys, they were supposed to laugh.
What counts as dating? You know.
That's a good question. We have to define the term. The deed is done.
Say longer than 1 month.
I would say length of time obviously would have an effect.
If the rule is longer than 1 month, then my number's at 1.
Oh, actually, me too. So.
We're both losers.
Wait, why are you laughing? Wait, what do you mean? Toast, being a loser is not defined by how many girls are into you, okay?
Yes, it is. The whole point of surviving as human being, hunting for food, is to bang chicks.
I thought it was
from the dawn of time.
Okay. Oh no. Ah! Whoa! Bitch! Ah! Oh no!
Queen, let's make a queen move, cutie. I believe in you. Big, scary, threatening queen move.
Queen.
Oh yeah,
move.
very scary.
I think a queen
Feels
move is
like
just.
a bad idea to me.
I think a queen move is just how you guys wake up every day.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Right. That face after he said it.
Oh my gosh.
I remember the strat. You're supposed to use the turtle shell to kick the fucking guy. Damn, why is everyone sitting there and they're not telling me? Come on, man. These are strats that I invented and taught you, and you're not gonna have the decency to fuck! Would you shut up? There's no reason to yell. Sorry for yelling. I can just eat this guy and have wings. God, he's dumb. This is a no spin run. Hey, wait, but my wings are gonna run out of gas eventually, right? Uh-oh. Hey, but wait, there's a blue... Remember that blue little bitch at the Fuck!
400K?
I'm judging the thumbnails. Dominating Destiny on and off the board. Get on your knees. Never mind, I'm not looking at these thumbnails anymore.
Doobie-doo. And remember, blue song. Doobie-dooby-dooby-dooby. Do-do-do-do-do-do-boo-boo-boo-boo-boo.
One chess game. He's going for a debate. He's trying to fuck me.
Isn't something you should be saying to someone. That's my take. Good talk.
I just, sorry, dude. Look, I can't.
I saw it was on your screen. Dude, there's just butts on his screen. Halfway through talking, I look over and there's just butts on his fucking iPhone. And then I'm like, yeah, what do you think, Hassan? And he's like, what, huh? Where am I? Is it? Hello? Huh? You seeing this over here? These are butts. Jesus Christ.
Okay. You know? Okay, hold on. Let me go get a bucket.